Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch3, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Let's start by opening the Galaxy Wearable app on our phone. In the app, let's scroll down and tap on About Watch. Here we have Install Unknown Apps option, and to turn it on, simply tap on the slider next to it and then tap Allow, like this. And that's how you enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.